We are pleased to show you the 2022 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.